Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for two. So come on with me, guys. So I just wanted to do something different. Now look at this lace runner in brown. So the tablecloth is in a checkered light beige and white. And so now we're just gonna put this runner. And so there's a theme that I'm trying to start here. Let's get started, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Terracotta or Sage Styling. Open collaboration. This is being hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and Jennifer at Home. So as we all know, the terracotta, we can use like planters or just the color itself, or you can use sage, or you can use them both, guys. Now, it was extremely hot outside today, so I decided to make a little quaint table for two indoors. And so let's start here with these lamb's ear after laying that runner. I absolutely love this lamb's ear, and this was a thrifted item, and what a great find. Now I had to go and get that greenery pot, and then I bypassed this beautiful DIY that I made with sunflowers. Isn't that perfect? So I thought I'd put that on the other end. Now I decided to do a tablescape for one, and I'm going to sit here and enjoy this table. So both of these placemats did come from Hobby Lobby. The bottom one is a really beautiful burlap one, a light one, and then the woven placemat on top I thought looked beautiful. Now that charger that I purchased at the Dollar Tree is beautiful. It has this distressed look on it. And then at Walmart, I purchased this terracotta set, which was really just the plate and the bowl. So you're gonna see me go ahead and dress this up. And I did find a plate to put in between that plate and the bowl. So I am using that neutral color napkin to wrap around that plate. Now this salad plate right here, it was only one and I found it at the Dollar Tree. I could not find the second one and I never saw it again. So I really wanted to use this because I think that this place setting is going to look gorgeous. Here I am placing the bowl right on top of that sunflower, which you could see the petals around it. So I am loving this place setting and I hope that you guys are too. Now I brought in this champagne glass in that green color, so that kind of blends in the colors that we're using for this collab. And I'm gonna go ahead and set the flatware, and we're almost ready to head on over to the reveal. All right, so we're lighting the candle, and this is my favorite time. Let's head on over, guys, and take a look. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen. Doesn't this look absolutely amazing, guys? I am loving it.